Hey guys, welcome back to our 100 Days of Java. Yesterday our coffee vending machine worked with the switch case. But today we're learning how to repeat tasks without writing the code again and again. That's where loops come in. So what are loops? Imagine this. You're trying to walk 10,000 steps. Without loops, you'd need to say step 1, step 2, step 3 and all the way up to step 10,000. That's very hard, right? So with loops, you just need to tell Java, keep counting until I reach 10,000. That's exactly what loops do. It will repeat the actions until a condition is met. So there are like different types of loops. While loop, for loop, do while loop. So what is while loop? While means as long as the condition is true, keep running the code. It checks the condition before running. Example, imagine your step goal is 5,000. You tell Java, while my steps are less than 5,000, keep walking 1,000 steps. So int steps equal to 0, int goal equal to 5,000. While steps less than goal, steps plus equal to 1,000. System.out.println, you walked plus steps. Output will be you walked 1,000 steps, walked 2,000 steps, 3,000, 4,000 and all the way to 5,000. Here Java checked the condition first, steps less than goal, and then ran the loop. For loop. For loop is best when you already know how many times to repeat, like saying run this exactly 5 times. So let's take the same example, but let's use for loop. Int goal equal to 5,000. For int steps equal to 1,000, steps less than or equal to goal, steps plus equal to 1,000. System.out.println, you walked steps plus steps. Output is the same, but here you don't need to write extra code for starting and checking. Everything is in one line. Int steps equal to 1,000, that's the starting point. Steps less than or equal to goal, that's the condition to continue. Steps plus equal to 1,000, how much to increase each time. Think of it like telling a robot walk 1,000 steps exactly 5 times. Do while loop. It's a special loop. It runs the code at least once even if the condition is false, because it checks the condition after running. Example, int steps equal to 6,000, int goal equal to 5,000. Here the goal is already met, but still we are doing the do while loop. Do system.out.println, you walked plus steps, steps plus equal to 1,000, while steps less than goal. So in here it printed you walked 6,000 steps. Even though steps are already more than the goal, it still printed once. This is like Iron Man testing his suit. Shoot at least once, then check if I still needs to shoot.